That's MacManus. Okay, he wants Rocco's dead weight to fuck up. You just hit the red? Yeah. What's your name? Hey Damien, I just want to tell you that the snooze button is the first lie you will tell yourself today. It is an instrument for fucking losers. Right now you decide what you want to do. I'm not going to yell. Feel free to go back to bed. But if you do, just know what I want to call you. If you made a promise yourself last fucking night, shame the fuck on you. I'll tell you, shame the fuck on you. You're setting a precedent for the rest of the fucking day. Just moto too.